From a blank white stage to a world alive, clock snapping in, watch ideas thrive. Sprites start moving, colors collide. One small click and the future ignites. No fear in trying, no shame in mistakes. Every bug is a step that a coder takes. From simple loops to games that fly, we learn together, aiming high. At KPPKAUNG Scratch Academy, we code our dreams, set logic free. From zero to pro, step by step we see a brighter path in creativity. Build it, share it, proudly say, this is where young coders play. Tutorials clear, examples strong. If you're stuck, you won't be for long. Ask a question, lend a hand. Learning together was always the plan. Animations, engines, AI too. Searching ideas, making them new. From basic blocks to advanced art, every project starts with our KPPKAUNG Scratch Academy. We code our dreams, set logic free. From zero to pro, step by step we sing a brighter path in creativity. Build it, share, proudly say, this is what young coders play. Not just code, it's a community, helping others grow constantly. One idea sparks another flame, different minds, one sharing. KPPKAUNG Scratch Academy, learning, sharing, proudly free. Click by click, we'll shape tomorrow, turning passion into code.